Whether you're marking a trail or identifying a hazard, marking and flagging tools have a multitude of uses. My name is Michelle, and I'm one of the friendly faces picking and packing your orders here at Gregg Distributors. And I'd like to welcome you back to Gear Up with Gregg's, where we're going to talk about the tips and tricks for marking paint, stake flags, and flagging tape. First, let's talk about the most basic marking tool, paint. Spray paints are used to mark and identify various utilities, excavation sites, construction sites, and surveying results. With the Krylon industrial paint, you'll get the job done in one brightly colored pass. The bigger glove grip on the lid of the can even means it's easier to use with winter gloves on. But why do we have so many colors of paint? Well, that's because the American Public Works Association developed a series of color codes that are used to identify buried facilities throughout the United States, Canada, and many other countries. This marking system helps to eliminate some of the challenges faced by excavators and to keep our work sites and workers safe. Utility or safety yellow is used to mark gas, oil, steam, or gaseous materials. High visibility or traffic yellow is used to mark roads or highway pavement. Blue is used to mark potable or drinking water. Red is used to mark electric power lines and cables. Green is used to mark sewers and drain lines. Orange is used to mark communication, alarm, or signal lines. White is used to mark proposed excavation sites. And pink is used to mark temporary surveys. These colors all work together to help let workers know where it is safe to dig. But paint isn't the best option for every application. If you need to see the markings from a distance, your best option is marking flags. Marking flags are brightly colored PVC or vinyl attached to a wire staff, which you can insert directly into the ground to mark your line. They come in the same colors to help easily identify underground hazards. These flags are commonly used in the surveying, construction, and agricultural industries. The final type of marking tool I want to talk about today is one of the most common, flagging tape. Flagging tape is a colored, non-adhesive tape that's used to mark things such as trees, boundaries, survey stakes, utility lines, or reference points. It's made of PVC or vinyl and is built to handle the outdoors, which is great, since that's where it gets the most use. Both highly visible and weather resistant, flagging tape is one of the most widely used products in construction, survey, and forestry industries. The bright colors have a universal code in each industry, creating a visual shorthand that saves time, money, and lives. For industries that need something heavy-duty to mark a trail, look no further than the reinforced flag tape. This tough tape will hold up even in the roughest of conditions, including those Arctic surveys where temperatures can get downright bone-chilling. For medium-duty applications, the Premier flagging tape will give you more strength and weather resistance than the basic tape. This tape is great for flagging areas that need the tape to last, such as hiking trails or long-standing surveys. But if you're going to need a lot of flagging tape for your application, nothing beats the basics. In the surveying and forestry industries, flagging tape is used to designate boundaries of land that will be used for a specific purpose. Because these markers often remain in place for months and even years while a project is in development, it's important that the color of the tape stays bright for the duration of the job. This is one of the hallmarks of flagging tape. Its color doesn't fade as quickly over time, regardless of sun, wind, rain, or other weather conditions. Now, flagging tape has a tendency to roll away on you. So here are a few handy tricks to help. One of the best ways to carry this tape with you is in your vest. These surveyor vests have a pocket specifically designed for dispensing this tricky tape. The grommet on the lower pocket will keep your survey tape close, tidy, and ready to go. If you're hiking trails and you want to mark your path, you might not want to carry an entire roll of flagging tape with you. That's where the pill bottle trick comes in handy. Take an empty bottle and drill a hole in the lid. That way you can put as much flagging tape as you need into the bottle and feed the end through the hole at the top. The use of flagging tape in emergency situations can truly save lives. So the last thing you want is a roll of tape unraveling on you. To prevent this, pull off a length of survey tape, a foot or so will do, and tie a granny knot around the edge of the roll. This will keep the roll from unraveling while still allowing for easy dispensing. On a construction site, flagging tape is routinely put up around areas that are off limits or unsafe. This means that workers may be applying flagging tape while at height. You drop the roll and it's game over. So, to keep flagging tape from falling off the roll, you can melt it. No, not the whole roll. Just heat up a length of wire, a nail, or a knife, and use the heated metal to make 3 or 4 melted indentations along the edge of the roll. This will keep your roll from unraveling, but won't prevent you from pulling the tape free when you need it. If you want to be able to pull the tape easily, only do one side. However, if you need a real secure roll of flagging tape, feel free to do both sides. Wow, who knew such a simple tape was so complicated? Guess I won't just be using it to identify my luggage on the carousel at the airport anymore. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop by our social media pages and send us a message. Or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Michelle, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.